Hello, this is going to be a tutorial on how to make a paper crane. So first, we want the side we want on the outside of the crane, facing the bottom. Next, we'll fold this tip to this one. Next, we want to fold this tip to this one. So now we want to open it and line up this tip with this one. Like that. Be sure to crease both sides. Next, flip over and repeat. Once you have both sides done, you want to take the corner and fold it into the center line. It should look like that. You want to repeat on this side, and this side. There should be a fold line in the center that you can use to measure by or to line up. Now when you do this, be sure not to go over the center line when you fold. That is very important. And stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 on how to make a paper crane. So, you want to take this and you want to fold it like so. This is going to be the back of the paper crane. Now this part is rather hard. So, after you get this top part folded, you want to open it up and keep this part down while opening it and folding it flat. This line you did will help you be able to do that. If you have this issue with the tip, open it back up a little and you should be able to undo the kink in the paper. Then you want to repeat on this side, the folding down and the opening up and the matching. Part 3 on how to make a paper crane. So you want to take this side and you want to line it up to the middle. Like so. I already creased it. Be sure not to go over the center. Then you want to repeat on this side, and this side. They should all look like that. Ta-da! As you can see, all of them look pretty much identical. Done. Done, 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 fold. Repeat on this side. Next, you want to pull it out a bit at an angle and then crease down there. It should look like that. Repeat on this side. Then, you want to take the wing and fold it down. Repeat on both sides. Alright, part 4. How to make a paper crane. You want to open up and put it down and you want to fold it like so. That is how to make the head. I pick the end with the sharper point, which is this side. Next, and last step of all, you want to pull the wings and push down in the center. Might take a bit of practice to get it, but there you go. A paper crane. Dun 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 dun. All done. I hope you had fun with this 4-part tutorial. Bye. Bye.